Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue channel lock settings disabled. For this, simply go to settings, tap on all settings. Select the option general and privacy. Here you can see the option parental settings. So here you can see the option channel lock settings. So this option is grayed out. We are not able to select this option. Okay. So if this option is enabled, then we can set the channel to lock or unlock. To fix this option, tap on the option apply channel lock, enable this one. And to enable this one, enter the parental pin. Now you can see channel lock settings is enabled. If you tap on this one, so here you can see the channel list, and from here you have to select the channel that you want to lock. So if you want to lock this one, select this one, and at the right side you can see the option lock. Simply tap on the lock option and enter your parental pin. To unlock here also, you have to unlock from here. Simply in this way we can fix the issue channel lock settings disabled. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.